This facility for the last 9 years, adding to 10 years, nobody has died here. Records will show nobody has died in this facility.
Welcome back to Celebs Watch 211. Following the death of Lucy Wambui, the Ministry of Health under the leadership of Mary Muthoni Muriuki, that is the Principal Secretary of Public Health in Kenya, conducted an investigation and found that Omnicare Medical facility was not complying with the regulations. The statement reads in part, following a tragic incident that led to the death of Miss Lucy Wambui, who passed away after a plastic surgery procedure at Omnicare Medical Limited, operating as Body by Design in Nairobi, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, that is KMPDC, conducted a comprehensive investigation into the facility's practices and standards. The findings revealed serious non-compliance with medical institution regulations, specifically under Sections 4 and 15 of the Medical Practitioners and Dentists Act. The inspection found that the facility was operating below the required medical standards, failing to meet patient safety regulations crucial for protecting the health and well-being of patients. In response, the KMPDC has ordered the immediate closure of the facility to ensure public safety until all necessary corrective actions are implemented to guarantee compliance with patient safety standards. Additionally, a thorough investigation is ongoing regarding the institution and the staff involved in Ms. Lucy's treatment. The Council is examining the extent of culpability and determining the appropriate actions to ensure accountability and prevent future incidents of malpractice.
I think the most important thing is that all institutions that are registered as PAS and they are not medical institutions, they are hiding behind shell companies and all. When you look at everything, go down to the nitty-gritty, what you discover is that these are business people who are gambling with the lives of innocent people. And I want to say one thing categorically, because you know yourselves, you influencers who have been coming here getting free services, having botched procedures, and then going on television and media and telling other people, innocent Kenyans, to take these procedures. Yet you know you're being paid by these individuals. We are going to follow the money. We don't care whether you sit on what board. We don't care which government office you are. We are going to follow the money. And if you are a wise person, you take one coin from these two individuals here masquerading, we will find you and you will be a guest of the state.
Actually, we've been working with the lawyer. The lawyer is acting for the family. So these guys, there's some games they're trying to play, even though they wanted to bribe us here with 5 million. We refused. Because Lucy is our good friend. Not only Lucy, we are here for justice for all the people who have died in this facility. We want justice for them.
Okay, what next after the premises have been closed down?
You know, this is a criminal offense. Murder is a criminal offense. We want these guys. Yes, we want. We want these guys to be taken to court. Period. Yes.
One word for our daughters and mothers.
Our daughters and mothers at home. Tafadhalini, shukuruni na ile Mungu mili ambaye amewapea. If you look at the procedures zile nimemention mchana, sijui liposuction, they charge 800,000. These guys are in business. Hii ni biashara mbaya sana.
Following the closure of the Omnicare Medical facility, the legal team from Body by Design came out to distance themselves from the death of Lucy Wambui. The team, led by the city lawyer Dunstan Omari and Sophie Wanjala, asserted that the facility is registered as Level 3 hospital and that it is operated by qualified personnel with zero records of death at the facility. Here's the narration of the events that transpired prior to the death of Lucy Wambui as per Sophie Wanjala.
The deceased, Lucy Wambui, came to my client's facility on the 16th day of October 2024. The procedure, there were medical tests which were carried out and the patient was declared fit to undergo the procedure. So she underwent the procedure on the 16th and ideally she was supposed to be discharged on 17th. But on her own volition, she asked for extra days at the facility. So she was given the extra days at the facility until when the day she was discharged, when her condition deteriorated, she came back to the facility. The facility was closed. The facility closes at 4 p.m. So the patient went to Nairobi Hospital, and a medical officer from our client's facility went and met the patient at Nairobi Hospital. So the processes that were done at Nairobi Hospital can only be explained by Nairobi Hospital, leading to the demise of Lucy.
Lucy's family alleges that she died as a result of infection resulting from perforations caused by liposuction on her small intestines. Sophie, on the other hand, insisted that Lucy's cosmetic surgery was a success and that she had been discharged from the facility prior to going to Nairobi Hospital, where she eventually passed away. Dunstan Omari seconds Sophie by refuting the allegations that there have been several deaths at the facility by stating that in fact the facility has been operated for over 9 years and there have never been a single death.
The operational theaters. Well, our plant, Body by Design, is an established medical facility. It is not a spa nor a salon. It is a registered medical facility certified as a hospital level 3. It has all the requisite medical licenses. It has all the requisite doctors practicing certificates. It has been in operation for the last 10 years, almost 10 years. It is not a new business or is not a new hospital. To have qualified to be a hospital, they went through rigorous vetting. In fact, it is in the process of being vetted to come to level 4 hospital. Members of the press have gone round. You have seen the type of the surgical wards, the theaters, the operational theaters that are in place. You have seen the wards that are in place. You have seen the facilities put in place. So that is the first angle that we have to tell the public. Number 2, all the doctors who work in this facility are licensed by the Kenya Medical Dentist Board, equally licensed by the body that deals with cosmetics surgery, plastic surgery. Nobody operates here without that certification. So anybody going around saying that they are fake doctors operating in this hospital, that is not true. Free. This facility for the last 9 years, adding to 10 years, nobody has died here. records will show nobody has died in this facility. Coming to the deceased on behalf of the facility, the management of the facility, and the professionals working here, we extend our sincere condolences to the demise of one of the clients, of one of the customers who came to be attended here. The factual basis of the client is that she came and underwent a surgery. In simple terms, a cosmetic surgery. She was tested before she underwent that. She went through the process. Upon discharge, she had something called pneumonia. She was discharged from this hospital and went home. Later, she went to Nairobi Hospital, where another surgery was conducted. So in essence, there were two types of surgery done in two different facilities. She was here for 2 days. She was in Nairobi Hospital for 4 days. A post-mortem was conducted. That post-mortem is not the post-mortem results that were conducted in attendance was the chief government pathologist, was the family's pathologist, and our client's private pathologist. They did not agree on the cause of death. We have given a sample of the pathologist report to the public. More tests needs to be done and more investigations needs to be done on 3 critical questions. They have found out that the cause of death is perforations of the small intestines. Perforations is like a hole in the intestines. Medical science says perforation can be occasioned by more than 10 causes. It can be out of ulcers. It can be out of H. pylori. It can be out of intrusion by an object.
Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and I'll keep you updated as information becomes available. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.